No, I already gaggle.
Goggle the one you use in swimming?
No, I already social media. I use social media to have you advice.
You Google about how to make Ninja Turtle.
I'm very scared because I thought that
Yeah.
you'll try it to the buringable.
No, I have a girlfriend before. I have a lot of girlfriend before.
You never use a buringable.
Yeah, I used it once. No.
Why?
Hey, that's not joke. Oh, that's not. That's joke only.
Oh my God! You're
No,
talking
that's not.
silly.
No, that's not buringable.
I'm shocking.
See, only say me buringable, not totally buringable. Huh?
I don't know.
How can you say that she's a buringable?
She's came from Kinilo. So where is Ondoy jump over you when you make Ninja Turtle? From the right or from the left?
Left and right.
Left. So it's better to see a doctor, to see a movie,
Okay.
for you to have Ninja Turtles someday.
I will do that.
Yeah.
But we're just 3 months since we started making a baby. So, I'm not worried very much yet. If maybe 1 year and still no baby, I'm going to see the doctor.
Yeah.
Because maybe right now, we are just not on the right timing. When we make the baby, maybe I am not ovulating.
So that-
Because I'm still studying my body, about my
Yes, sir.
fertility window of my cycle. I'm still studying it.
Okay.
Because I did not study it before. Because I don't care about my menstruation before when I was still single.
There is an experimentable
Yes.
happenings of your body.
Correct. You got it.
Yeah.
How many times?
In a day.
How many times? In
Pastor,
wait, how many times in a week
sibog ka rin.
you
You
make
Ninja
Ninja
Turtles.
How many times?
Sometimes, 2, if we are very tired, nothing. Nothing in 1 week. Only sleeping.
1 week?
Yes.
I have advice.
We only make
Ew.
baby sometimes 2 times in a month because both of us are not very into it.
So, you get pregnant, just make baby every day.
No, I can survive.
Every day.
You can survive
And
doing
also
it.
I
after
don't like it.
every day, after
Every hour.
breakfast,
I
after
cannot.
snack,
I will die. I'm not buringable.
because if you make baby only 1 in a week, you
So
cannot
there's no possibility to.
you cannot make baby.
Yeah. If only once in a week,
week.
once in a blue moon.
We're going to work it out.
So
Don't
when we
try.
talk about cohit, who is the one who
Kuhit
cohit
in the night.
first?
You kuhit on undoy.
Him, but I try 1 time. I quit him.
What?
Only 1 time since we got married.
Oh.
Because
So what happened when you cohit him?
he get up very fast here.
Oh.
Oh, my wife is kuhit me. Because we're still shy sometimes. Still shy to kuhit. We are waiting who will kuhit first. Like that. We are on the stage like that. That's why when no one kuhit us, nothing happens to us.
happens.
That's why we only kuhit. We only make baby twice or thrice a month.
Kuhit him every night.
I cannot. I'm very shy. I'm still shy.
You are shineable?
Yeah. Shineable.
Shineable.
But I already talked to him. I told him,
So you have
don't
already
try
an
to kuhit
agreement?
me.
You have already an agreement?
Last night. No, last night. Yeah, yesterday because we made baby yesterday. Because,
So that's why Ondoy is so happy.
yeah, very happy. Always smiling. Because we made baby. I told him, don't try to kuhit me. I will I will not refuse your offer. I told him like that. That's why yesterday he kuhit me. And I was very happy also. I like to be kuhit also.
You are waiting to quit.
Yeah.
Oh my
He
goodness.
is very shy to kuhit me. During the first, third, you are 3 months now. But the other day we talked about it. We are still shy to kuhit each other. I told him frankly.
Yeah.
First time in my life to tell him like that.
Oh my god.
Don't try to kuhit me. I told
Because
him
I
like
am
that.
always waiting for you.
Yes, I told him I will not refuse your offer. If you quit me, I will give you what happened to you?
There is a butong habol.
Huling galas.
You sabotage your agreement.
We already made a sabotage the other day. When I told him don't try to kuhit me, he kuhit me the next day.
Very
But
good.
the next day, which is today, we are here so he cannot kuhit me here.
Oh, because there is an evidences.
Yeah.
We are witnesses.
Yes. It's going to be testifying.
Yeah.
Diba?
Maybe
We,
na. Good.
the,
The earthquake is going to happen.
yeah.
We want peaceful sleeping. We don't want earthquake happening.
Always stay at home. Don't mo sakay-sakay motor.
One of the
You want me
reasons
to
also.
run going to the market? You don't want me
Because
to ride
you
a
are-
motorcycle to go to the
Your
market? Vagina?
Bala is old.
It's not the vagina is going to out.
Ogo guys, your vagina.
Yeah, no, it's not the vagina that's out, guys. It is the mattress.
Matris. Oh, ano ba ang tingin bagos?
Kusog diyan.
Gusto ba?
Ano ba yung magkano nga?
Bigyan sa katawa.
Dami na magawin.
Dami na dito sila. Kaya ba shirable to you?
Oh yeah, so what's that?
You listenable now?
Yeah, I will listen.
We're not making baby before. Only after marriage.
Yeah.
And that's
Because
why-
he respected you.
Even
so
if I
much.
want to make baby.
Yeah,
to
you,
him.
You tempted him.
Yeah, many times.
Oo. But he,
But he always refused my offer.
yeah, because he respected you.
Yeah.
Because you are a respectable person.
I'm not boring a ball.
You are not boringable. So that's why. That's the reason why he respected you, because you're not boringable.
Yeah.
You
But
are respectable.
the problem is after the marriage we are shangable.
So,
Is there any more questionnaire?
I,
Answerable you.
If the
Di ba
husband,
hindi kakita na?
if the husband will not quit anymore,
meaning,
there's
Possibility.
he
There's
is
a possibility.
another girl. If he will not quit you in the night,
If you are used to it, like if he's always wanting it before and then suddenly it's gone, then the probability is he's having an affair with another person.
maybe. That's the reason.
But-
One of the reason is like that.
Yeah, but when you started it, if it's already like that, like you guys are only making love only twice a month since you got married, and then it's the same up until the end. It means to say that it's just not really into it, like na nagsahilig.
It's not to
Because there are people that are not really like a sex
yeah.
addict or something. There are people that wants only to do it like once or twice a week or thrice a month. There are people like that. If you started it like that, then it's okay. But if you started it like every night and then suddenly it's just once a month, then something is wrong. Do you
Yes.
agree?
Yeah.
If you used to do it every day, then it is something you should worry about because, oh,
Oh, it's
What's
normal
going
for
on?
you.
why is he not making love with me anymore? Is there something wrong with
There's a big question with that.
Yeah.
Why you don't do it?
anymore?
Yeah.
It means to say he's doing it with someone else.
Maybe. Or there's a wrong with him
Or
or here.
maybe your vagina is smelly.
so
It's smellable?
Yeah.
it's real one.
Maybe the wife is not washing her vagina anymore. That's why the husband is looking for another vagina. The vagina that is
Overflowing.
Overflowing.
Overflowing the odor. The odor is overflowing.
Your water.
Huwag na.
The odor is
Overflowing.
go outside.
So that's all I can share with you.
Hmm.
Any more questionnaire? Yeah, questionable.
Maybe
I will
don't-
answerable.
Maybe I don't
If you
have-
will get pregnant, what? Baby, you like girl, boy?
I'm okay with the girl, I'm okay with the boy, whatever it is God's given. I will accept it wholeheartedly.
And I have a questionable.
Go ahead.
If you get pregnant, is there any possibilities that you stop your daily your passion to make vlog daily?
I think it's not.
Is it kanang affected or still ongoing? I was still
I think it's
there.
not going to affect my vlogging if I get pregnant, because I'm just gonna turn the camera on. Probably there's a little bit effect on the editing because I'm not gonna be editing it very nicely anymore. Like I'm just gonna have to put it all together with no effects like that because I'm gonna have to save time because I'm still gonna have to take care of myself. So maybe once in a while.
But if you there is a saying that if you from our ancestors or from our lolas and lolas, the saying is if you want to kanang face with a camera, the
That is
baby,
going to happen.
yeah, there's something to be happen on your babies like that, something like that.
I don't believe that because it has no scientific explanation, and I see a lot of vloggers, they're vlogging their pregnancy journey and they're still alive and the baby is okay, the baby is healthy and the mother is healthy, so I don't think it's going to
So
affect my health.
it's just only a haka-haka. It's
Yeah,
just only a superstitious belief. So never believe.
Some people believe that, but I don't believe it.
That's it. It's very nice.
Not be ashamed because English speaking is not the measurement of your intelligence.
Ability.
So, okay lang yan.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm not sure if I'm going to upload this, but just I'm doing this just for fun.
Okay.
Bye guys!
Bye bye.
It's just for fun.
Our drink is only water.
Yes, because I'm so thirsty.
We are wholesome.